Welcome to PrecisionTradingSignals.com, the most powerful tool every trader must have. This is your host, moderator, and head trader, AVA. Today's date is Monday, May the 7th of 2012, and let the games begin. This will be just one of our many video series that will show you how to make money day trading future market indexes specific to the Russell 2000 and the Dow Jones mini futures contracts. What we use here is a unique algorithmic colored bar indicator that gives you precise entry points for these contracts. Now guys, what you're about to witness are real live trades. We're going to show you the entries, exits, and risk management with play-by-play market commentaries. And here we're going to have our first signal set up for today. Short the YMs, 5 contracts at 12,929. And we just got filled. And I'm feeling pretty good about this particular trade. I like the way it looks. We're gonna have a lot of topics to cover here today. We're going to show you how to lock in a profit, box in an order or box in a profit, make a free trade. And here I'm going to put in Fibonacci price extension lines to get a better sense for my targeted exits. And as you can see, our first point, and then the second point, followed by our third point, which is going to give us the price extensions from 12,954. As you can see, our levels: 12,940, 12,932, 12,918. I'm going to be bidding 3 contracts at 12,918. Okay, you see that midline is in the gray. It's going to be highlighted in about 2 seconds. I'm bidding for 3 contracts, and we're approaching 12,918, and it looks like we're going to cover 3 contracts. We just got filled. I made 11 points. That equates to $165. Guys, the YMs or the Dow Mini Futures move in 1-point increments. Every point equates to $5 per contract. We just covered 3 contracts at 11 points. You do the math. And here you can see I'm putting in an order. I'm locking in a profit for 2 contracts at 12,920. Locking in a profit. If we reach above that level, we're going to get filled. And it looks like we just got filled at 12,920 for 9 points, and we just made $90. Total trade profit of $255. That's how it's done, guys. No pressure. We're taking all the guesswork out of trading. And here we have our next signal set up. As you can see, our algorithmic colored bar indicator violating the yellow. Second signal, short the TFs, 3 contracts at 787.2, and we just got filled. For the TFs, I automatically put in a 1.5 point stop in the interim. I did put on price extension lines here, and I'm reading the tape. I'm locking in a stop at 787, which gives a 1/10 of a point, 1 tick down, and basically it's a free trade. Okay, it's a free trade here, guys, including cost of commission. Here I cover 1 contract, 786.6 for a 1/2 point. The TFs move in 1/10 of a point increments, and each tick equates to $10 per contract. I took 5 ticks out of it on 1 contract, gives us $50. As you can see, I'm bidding 1 contract, 786.1 for a 1-point gain, and it looks like we just got filled. I have 1 contract left, and here I'm going to box in my order. Okay, I have 1 contract left, and it doesn't look like we're going to reach our price extensions for the 3rd, 4th, or 5th levels down. So I'm going to lock in a profit. I'm going to box it in between 786.20 and 785.20. I'm always holding my bids out there because you never know, guys. Okay, you could have a swift downdraft and get filled on the bottom, but I'm locking in a profit, 0.9 points, another $90 gain at 786.2. And we're done with that particular trade. Total trade profit for our last trade was $240 on 3 contracts of the TFs. Alright, we had 2 trade signals for today with a total daily profit of $495, guys. I wanted to point out again, guys, These are real trades. I have my ass on the line, and there's a lot more in-depth knowledge that you will get throughout the day, and a lot more explanation within my trades and how I go about reading the tape. Please, if you have any questions, feel free to visit us at precisiontradingsignals.com for a free live 1-week trial. Guys, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Once again, this is your host and moderator, Albert A. I hope everyone did have a profitable trading day, and I am looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thank you.